I'm going to show you how you can remove the original sound of a video in CapCut PC. So here I have this video right here which has too much noise, and remove the audio. Can replace it with audio first. There are two options that you can use. First, you can just mute the clip. You just can mute the audio by clicking on this, or you can extract the audio first. So just right click on the clip, and there will be an option to separate the audio. So just click on that, and here is the audio file of this video. And to remove that, you can just click on the clip, click on the audio, and click on this delete option. And just like that, the original sound of the video will be removed. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.